Hey everybody, this is Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm going to be showing you the Shark Ion Robot Cleaning System. What's nice about this is it's a high performance robot vacuum and a hand vacuum. So it's a 2-in-1 product. Shark says that this has 3 times more suction than the Shark Ion RV750. This also comes with Smart Sensor Navigation 2.0. Some of the features of this: it has a self-cleaning brush roll, it has dual brush edge and corner cleaning. 2 spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges. So although it's got the rounded form factor, it has the brushes on the outside which will pull in the stuff in the corners. And what I love about it, it's designed for pets. I've got 3 Chihuahuas. If you've seen any of my older videos, you've probably seen at least one of them in the video. This is designed for pets. It's really good at picking up pet hair and dander. Some of the highlights you'll see on the side of the box here: it's Wi-Fi enabled, it's got a smartphone app, and it can also be voice controlled through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The hand vacuum has one-touch debris emptying. Just push a button and out it goes. You should download their app and register your product. And here's the quick start instructions. Right on top is some paperwork. We've got the instruction booklet. This is only in English, this booklet. And here you have tips and tricks for great performance. And here's instructions on how to use it around stairs. You also get some boundary strips. That's these guys right here. You put them where you don't want the robot to go and it'll stay away. This is a cleaning mechanism. This appears to be part of the handle. Next thing we come to is the dock. This will fold down. Right here is where the robot vacuum will sit when it's docked and charging. Right here is where the handheld part will dock. There's the back with the power cord, and it's got a cord wrapper for excess cord. Comes with 4 spinners. These attach to the bottom of the vacuum, and they'll push the debris right into the dustbin as they spin around. Here's an attachment for the handheld device. Here is the handheld vacuum. That's the front. This is where it charges. Here's the suction nozzle right here. This button right here will open up the dustbin, just like that. And here's the power button. If you want to access the filter, it just slides out. You can clean that out. Here's another attachment for the handheld device. Here's the robot. Here's the underside. You've got the main brush right here, and this can come out. Comes out just like that. You've got these little brushes right here. The wheels are rubber wheels, and they go in and out. They're spring loaded. This is where it charges from. Got a power switch to turn it on and keep it on. And over here in the back is the dustbin. Push down and pull out. Get your fingers here, lift up. You can empty the dustbin. It has a big opening for the stuff to get into the dustbin. Here you've got the filter. And that's all there is to it. If you're going to use the manual buttons, here's the button to clean, here's to send it back to the dock, and here's for max suction. Do you put pet hair on the floor? Do you put pet hair on the floor? I've taken the shark on its initial voyage, and I'm ready to check out the dustbin and see how it did.
Golly, you must have been hungry.
There you can see it got a ton of stuff. Lots of dust and pet hair. Excellent. I'm very happy with that. If the inlet to the dustbin was any smaller, this would probably get clogged and it would be much less effective. So kudos to Shark for having the big opening. The orange thing you see here is the filter. You don't want to wash it with water, you just tap it to clean it out. You just pull it out. Just slides out. You can tap it. But that's all you got to do to clean it. So now I'm going to take the handheld wand and I'm going to see how it does picking up these pencil shavings from the pencil sharp. This is without any attachments. See how it does on the couch with some big stuff. The dog chewed up the dog toy. That would be that guy right there. So let's see how it does picking up the dog toy. Piece of cake. I'm really impressed with the Shark Ion robot. It does a great job cleaning. It doesn't go in straight lines like some of the robots do. It doesn't have a map of your house like some of the robots do. It goes in sort of a random pattern. It's going to be different each time, and I'm okay with that. I don't need the straight lines in my house. The battery lasts a really long time, long enough to fill the dustbin. It's not too loud, which is great. It's not too big. I like that it's got 3 different power modes. I've tested a bunch of different robot vacuums now. This one is by far the best that I've tested. This is my second one by Shark that I've tested. I've tested a Samsung and I've tested a Hoover. The Shark 750 was my favorite. This is every bit as good as the 750 and then some. and it picks up all the pet hair from this one and her brothers. This does have a hefty price tag, but keep in mind that it's got the handheld vacuum with it, which did a great job picking up pencil shavings off of the desk. It's got great suction and it comes with 2 attachments, but I don't think you're going to find a better robot than this one. I can't say enough about the Shark brand. They're also the makers of Ninja, which you'll find in your kitchen. You can check out my Ninja coffee maker video. Check out my other robot videos as well. And I hope you liked this video. Please think about subscribing and liking this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.